Hi, I'm Valerie Peacock, the Clarice and Robert H. educator here at the National Sporting Library Museum. And today I'm going to show you a marbled fishing technique. So at the National Sporting Library Museum, we have tons of books and images that depict fish. And the biggest thing about them that they have in common is the beautiful scales of all the fish. So I'll show you a way to do an abstract marble technique. So what you're going to need some sort of pan, and you're going to need some shaving cream. It needs to be foam shaving cream, not gel shaving cream. So shake it up. And this part is a favorite for kids. Okay, you want to fill up your pan with some shaving cream. Then you want to use food coloring. If you don't have food coloring at home, you can use liquid watercolors. You just want to drip them in. You can do one color, two colors, spread it around. A little bit of food coloring goes a long way. Then you want to use a butter knife, a toothpick, a straw, anything that you have. You just want to gently go through and do some swirls. Try not to mix it completely. You still want to see some of the color. Next, you're going to use some watercolor paper. If you don't have watercolor paper at home, any type of porous paper will do. So you want to set it down very gently. Take your fingers and press it all the way across. You want to make sure you get it everywhere. Gently rub it. Leave it for about 30 seconds. So once you've let it sit for a little bit, I'm going to lift it up. And now here comes the messy part, the fun part. Lay your paper down. Get yourself a butter knife, the back of a spoon, anything you can, and what you're going to do is you're going to scrape off all this extra shaving cream. So you're going to want to let your marbled paper dry for about 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be completely dry in order to cut it, but you want to wait for 5 minutes for it. While you're waiting, this is a great time to start thinking about the type of fish that you want. We have downloadable templates on our website, and in the link, we have the cartoon fish, we have a rainbow trout, and we have a pumpkin seed fish. You'll find a link to the Virginia Department of Inland Game and Fisheries on our website, where you can find out a little bit more about rainbow trout and pumpkin seed fish in Virginia. So next, now that your stuff is a little bit dry, you want to pick out whichever ones that you wanted for your fish. You can draw your own fish, you can download fish from another website, or you can download the fish that we have on our website. So put your fish in the middle, wherever you want it to go. Trace it out. Any scraps that are left over as well from when you cut your fish out, they make great little pieces to add on for fins, or you can keep them and use them for other projects. Just cut them out. Now if you want, you can just use a marker or anything else you have to add any designs on your fish. So I like to give my eyeballs and smiley faces. And there you have all your fish. You can do this technique with anything. It doesn't have to be fish. Feel free to share any of your fish creations with us on our Instagram and on our Facebook. Tag the NSLM and hashtag NSLM Fish Creates.